Hi everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how to navigate our course page. As soon as you log in to Canvas and you go to our course page for Health Education 120, you will come to the home page. This is just a general page where I have some information about the syllabus and ways to contact me, as well as some other information for you. One other thing I want to point out on this page is that whenever you see a word that's in blue with an underline, that means that it is a hyperlink. So that's something that I would like you to click on. So in this instance, where it says syllabus, this will take us to our syllabus page, which is where I want to take you next. Also, another way to get to our syllabus is through this sidebar. This is called your course navigation. This is how you'll navigate through all of the different components of this class. So on the course syllabus page, I have a link to our actual syllabus that you can download for your personal reference. I also have listed here some of the information that students are more likely to want to know about what our textbook is, our assignments, and then also, as we scroll down here, how the grading is broken down. So that is our syllabus page. Next, you will see an announcement page. Currently, if this will load, we don't have any announcements for this class. However, once we begin with the semester, you'll start seeing announcements here, and there also will usually be some kind of notification letting you know that you have an announcement. And this is something too that you can go to your preferences in order to set a preference for emails to be sent whenever I do send out an announcement. And also, just so you know, you can expect announcements to occur every 2 to 3 days each week. Next, the module tab. This one I believe is probably the most important. This is where you will be navigating through the course. So, as you can see here, this is our orientation unit. You can click on this first link here. This talks a little about the course, and then you can go through each page by clicking the next button, and that way you'll be able to go through the different materials in the class. Let's see. And next, so we have the assignments, discussions, and quizzes links. These you can use, however, I think it's easier to access your assignments, discussions, and quizzes through the module link, because here it'll show everything that's due for each week, but it's not necessarily in an orderly manner, whereas this, I think it's more easily broken down. And let's see, one of the last things I want to go through is grades. So by clicking on the grades function, you will be able to see your grade, which is under here as the score out of the total. As you can see here, I submitted a mock assignment. This person got a 10 out of 10. And then also you'll see here this icon. This means that I left you a message. So if you click here, you can see that I left you a note. Usually it's me responding to whatever you wrote. Sometimes I might ask questions through that, so just be sure to take a look at that every once in a while. Finally, I do have some student help. So, for instance, this will take you to Cuyamaca Student Services. There's also other ways to learn more about Canvas and other things that the school offers as well. And then finally, we have library resources. This is important just because you will be needing to find outside resources for this class, particularly for our discussions. So this way you can go through the database list and you can type in your search terms. First choose health, and maybe let's do a gateway to research. Log in. And this way you can type anything, like let's say the discussion is on diabetes. Let's see, you can do diabetes and children. And that way then you'll be able to find research articles or other publications that talk about the topic. All right, so that is how we navigate our course. If you have any questions, please let me know. As I said, there's also other Canvas guides that go into more detail about how to use Canvas. This is just a general guide that I wanted to give about navigating our particular course. Thank you.